Okay, so here I am just looking through different themes for my blog. Not sure. Let me try this Soho one. Maybe tasty treats. Let's see, it's customized tasty treats. That looks good. Maybe I will go with that one. Let's check this one out. This one, kind of like that color. Maybe I'll go with that color. Kind of like that one. Let's go back here. Let's apply. Now let's go to blog. And refresh it here. Kind of looks good. Alright, so I think I'm going to stick with this theme. At least for now. Maybe I'll change it up later.